How do you protect beyond your home? See a threat before it arrives. Wi-Fi cameras won't reach the end of a long driveway or your barn. And who's watching over your boat or camper? Or even a job site? No one else is going to do it for you. You are your best security solution, but you can't be everywhere at once. Defend by Tactacam is simple security anywhere. Just set up the camera, download the app, and pick a plan to get real-time visibility where you've never had it before. Defend your lifestyle with Defend by Tactacam.